Guys, stop using so many type of strategies in the market and start focusing few that having a data proven that tells you that this is going to make profit in 18 months, 24 months, even in 4 years. Importantly, it's about you can use all these strategies that I've given to you like Algo Plus 026, 027, 028 or even 029. All these strategy you can add into your trading wheel to find a data proven which suitable in different time frame. Every single time frame it tells you a different result and you can change the parameter. Every single parameter you change, it giving you a different result. Once you get the best result, start using it continuously. I can guarantee you definitely going to make you a very huge profit. Today I'm going to share with you one of the strategy named Algo Plus 029 by combining SuperBollingerTrends, MACD and also ADI and DX. Right now I'm going to share it with you, but most importantly, support me more by clicking the subscribe button and the like button so that I can try my best to share as much as possible to you. Thank you. First of all, this is a strategy named Algo Plus 029 with a result of 103% without leverage yet. And most important, having a 50% of winning rate. And let me show you after about adding into this live copier calculators, exporting the data, I can see that if I'm using a medium risk, which means that 5x my account, by 536 days, my $1,000 becomes $19,000, which is quite a good, decent profit, man. But how can I get started by using these strategies? First of all, if you want to know how I make these strategies, I'm combining these three indicators. The first one, SuperBollingerTrends by Siemens. Okay, the next I'm using, it's a usual one, MACD, moving average convergence and divergence. And the last one, I'm using ADX and DI. This one, okay, by Bekabu Oyaji. Okay, it's a very crazy amount of people are using it, 39,000. So right now, how can I get started? If you just want to ignore the strategy tester, basically you can see that it's a very simple one by looking at, let's say if you want to go for long trades. If you want to go for a long trade, how can you start using it? First of all, you need to change the parameter first. SuperBollingerTrend basically remain the default setting. And then secondly, we go for MACD. Here's the setting already set. Fast line 100, slow line 200, and signal smoothing line, we change it to 50. And last one, ADX and DI here, default setting. We don't change anything. And how can I get started to making trade? First of all, if you want to go for long trades, you need to wait for what? You need to wait for a good signal that comes with a green candle in MACD. At the same time, you can see that the blue line is above the 20. Okay, when you tell you about a blue line is above 20, which means that is going to tell you this is having a bigger volume that comes in, it is going up. So from here, you straight away go for long trades. And your stop loss is your previous swing low and 1-to-1 take ratio, the balance that it fly. And this is a long sample that so easy you can make these profits. If you want to go for a shorts, how can I go for a shorts? First of all, you need to wait for a red triangle first. At the same time, you need to wait for MACD having a red candles, a red histogram graph here. So for example, here is one of it, which should tell you that this is having a red and a red signal here, and the blue line is above 20. Okay, so here is it. So you can go for a short. Then after that, your previous swing high is your stop loss. 1-to-1 take the profit. The balance you can let the profit fly, or you can the second balance you can set it for 1-to-2, only you take the profit. And here is it, 1-to-2 also you can take this profit. So this is a very good sample that what normally people are using it by trading. But today, I would say don't believe in too much in this type of trading because there's no data proven. That's why I need a strategy tester to tell me about, let's say, with my default setting, you can see that I changes the default setting so that it given me a higher probability of winning. And you can see also active trading stop with 2.2%. My stop loss is 1.3. So why am I giving you all these type of trading strategies and why you need to add it into it? Because I believe that, right, only data proven strategies can work out in long run. Because a lot of strategies, when it comes into short term, maybe it's running well, but when it comes to long term, it doesn't work well at all. So remember, right now what you need to do is about go to description here and click my indicator strategies that add it into your trading wheel and start to play around with the parameter with different time frame, different coins. Sometimes you'll find a very decent result, and from there start using this strategy straight away, and I guarantee you're going to see a great profits in your crypto pathway.